guys, it's MissUniqueBeautii in the building, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm here to show you guys how to blend your natural 4C texture in with your Kinky curly Sewin. And I'm also going to show you guys how to refresh your curls. The first thing I want to talk about is this bonnet. This bonnet is from Inkioma by Ivy and Livy. I will link the website to this bonnet down in the description box below. Right here, I'm showing you guys my leave out. I didn't leave a lot out, but I did leave out some hair on the side and a little bit at the top. I did do this sewing on myself, so if you guys do want to see a video on how to do a sewing, just leave a comment down below. Now I'm just pinning my hair out the way so I can focus on the kinky curly hair first. What you want to do is work one side at a time. Right here, I'm just unraveling this twist, and then we're going to wet it down, add some products, and continue to style. The next thing I'm going to do is divide this section into two and work this section one section at a time as well. The next thing I'm going to do is take my spray water bottle, add some leave-in conditioner into the bottle, and use this to spray my hair. Now the leave-in conditioner that I have in my water bottle is the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey leave-in conditioner. Now you want to make sure that you're fully saturating the hair, make it as wet as possible. Not to the point where you're like dripping, but you want to make your hair pretty damp. Once you're done saturating the hair with water, you want to go in with a paddle brush from ends to root and just detangle your hair. You can add more water as needed. The next product that I'm going to be using is the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Curl Smoothie. Now right here I'm just showing you the difference between the leave-in conditioner and the Curl Smoothie. They both come packaged looking the same, so you just want to make sure that you're picking up the right one. I used 2 pumps of the Curl Smoothie. The next product that I'm going to be using is the Shea Moisture Curl Stretch Pudding. Now this product right here is super thick, and this will definitely give you the definition in your curls. When you use these products on your hair, you want to make sure that you're focusing more so on the ends, because that's where you want the most definition. Now this next brush that I'm using is the famous Denman Brush. This brush right here will definitely give you the definition in your curls. Look at that definition. Them some juicy curls. I'm going to go ahead and repeat these steps on the rest of my hair, and I'll be right back. This is what my hair is looking like now that I've completed defining my curls. Now the next product I'm going to take is my Mielle Rosemary Mint Scalp Strengthening Oil. I'm going to use this and put a little bit on my scalp right around my leave out. I'm also going to use some of this oil on my actual kinky curly hair. I'm going to scrunch it on each side of my hair and put some on the top just to add a little shine to my hair once it's done. Now, if you choose to not define this hair gets big. If you're not used to big hair, it will be a shocker, so I do suggest you define this hair with whatever products of your choice. Right here, I'm just showing you guys the products that I used on my natural hair for my twist out. I used the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey, Coil Sculpting Custard, and also the new Xtreme Wetline Gel. The only reason why I added the gel to the custard is just to give it a little bit more hold. Now I'm going to go in with my blow dryer with the diffuser just to dry my hair, and this will also help to define your curls a little bit more. I'm gonna go finish blow drying my hair, and then I'll be right back with the results. This is what my hair is looking like now that I'm done diffusing it. My hair is not 100% dry, but you can definitely see the definition in my curls. Now it's finally time for me to start working on my leave out. Now I'm going to squeeze a little bit of the Mielle Rosemary Mint Scalp Strengthening Oil into the palm of my hands. I'm going to rub it together and then saturate my hair strands with that oil just to remove the cast from the gel. Then I'm going to begin unraveling each one of my twists. Now these bundles I have in my hair is 4 bundles of 26" of the kinky curly hair that I sell on my website. You can purchase these bundles on my website, pressbyMissUniqueBeautii.com. I will leave a link to my website in the description box below. Now y'all know what I'm about to say about this product right here. If you've seen my previous video, you have seen how much I rave about this product. This product is the StyleFactor Edge Booster Pomade. Now this particular pomade is the one made specifically for thick and coarse hair. So when you're looking for this product, you want to make sure that it says thick and coarse hair. Now I'm just going to place this product all throughout my edges, and then I'm going to use my small edge brush just to smooth it out. Right here, I'm just going to use my tail comb just to create swoop designs on my edges. Next, what I'm going to do is take some of that same pomade and just apply it to the root of my leave out. Then I'm going to use my brush and just smooth it out. Now to further blend the strands of my hair, I am going to just tuck my hair underneath the kinky straight hair. Just watch. Now for the left side of my head, I'm going to use one bobby pin and tuck some of the hair behind my ear and just pin it down. The next thing that I'm going to do is just continue to tuck my hair underneath the kinky curly hair just to blend it. Now it's time to add your accessories. This clip right here I got on Amazon. I will link the link to this clip in the description box below. Now this is the completed look. I've showed you guys how to blend your type 4 hair in with your kinky curly extensions, and I've also showed you guys how to define your curls. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye my beauties!